Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm gonna be unboxing my I wrote it down here. It's the Frosted Rose Gold 40K Visa card. It's the Visa card. I already had the 4000 card and it worked out great. I had it for about 7 months and I unstaked it, and it did so well that I upgraded to the 40K. But it's a lot going on with Crypto.com. I know you probably have already heard that the Staples Center is going to be renamed to Crypto.com Arena starting this December on Christmas. So December the 25th, 2021. So it's no longer going to be called the Staples Center. It's going to be called the Crypto.com Arena. So I'm not giving nobody advice. This is what I'm doing. I've been doing it for the last 8 months and it's been working out great for me. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you what I got. And if you want to sign up and get one of these cards, you don't have to get the 40,000 or the 4,000, get the 400, or you don't have to get anything. But if you do decide to get anything, use the link below and I get $25 and you get $25. I like free stuff. All right, here you go. I'm gonna show you this right here. Is the $4,000 staked Visa card that I've had for the last 7 months. You have to stake $4,000, and I think I did a video of this, but I upgraded to the 40K, and the one that I got is the Frosted Rose Gold. It's the 40K. So I staked this right here for like 6 months, 180 days, and the crypto CRO was 17 cents a share, and when I unstaked it, it was 35 cents. So it did really good. So I made my $4,000 stake turned into about 8,500. So what I had to do was add another $31,500, and I upgraded to the Frosted Rose Gold. And I'm gonna show you. I just got this in, and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. It's a little envelope right here, and it took like 3.5 weeks. So I ordered it, I switched over on November the 10th, and I just got it probably a couple of days ago, and it took 3.5 weeks. I guess they were really busy, but we're gonna open this together. I'm gonna move my computer screen out the way a little bit so you guys can have a better view. And it comes with some information right there. I don't know if you can see it. And I am also gonna receive a welcome package. Whenever you get the 40K and above, you get a welcome package. It comes with a hat, a jacket, some stickers, and this is what it looks like right here. I went on YouTube and found the information, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna slide it out. Pretty slick. Yeah. Slides are really neat. Okay, and it's made out of metal, but this is what it looks like. You pull it up, maybe you can get a better look at it. This is what it looks like. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go into the app. And I'm going to walk you through this with me. So first, you want to open up this app. It's right here, it's Crypto.com. And these numbers fluctuate, and I purchase, I'll just show you here. We're going to go to my account. You see where I staked 990 CROs. I staked $40,000 worth. Now it's worth $62,000. So I bought it right at 35 cents a piece, and today, let's look at it, it's right at 56. So it's fluctuating. At one point it was 90 something cents a share, and it also went down to about 52. But I'm about 25,000 ahead from 3 weeks ago. It's not too bad, but I got it staked for 180 days. Let's see how many more days I have left. I have 154 days left, and I can unstake this. And I also got some stakes in different crypto. As you can see, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Polkadot, and I got it to where it's earning, where it says crypto earn. You'll see right here, I just put like $1,000 in each one of them just so I can get right up here to Shiba. It ain't been doing worth nothing. You see, I got 30 million shares. Maybe it'll go up $1 a share in about 100 years. But anyway, if it do, maybe my great grandkids will have $30 million. But anyway, if you look at this US coin, I staked it. It don't fluctuate much, but I get 12%, and I got this Polkadot, which I get 12.5%. You know, so on those, every 7 days is credited to my CRO account, and I can cash that out, or I can top up my credit card. But let's go to the credit card. Down here on the bottom right, you see card. I'm gonna click on it, and then there at the top, you hit that, and now this is my card. It says it's shipped right there where it says to activate it. So let's go ahead and activate it. I'm gonna click on activate card, and it says enter the new CVV code. So I'm gonna enter that. Okay, now it says your card is physically active. That's it. So now I can set up a PIN. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my PIN. Hey, that's it, man. I got to admit, man, this stuff is awesome. Just hit anywhere to confirm. So now I'm ready, and I can top this up. It's easy. They don't charge you no fee. You can move money. And this is a debit card. It's not a credit card. This is a debit card. So you can take this card and top it up. You can take money from your bank account, and they don't charge you no fee. I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna go ahead and top it up right quick. You see, I'm on this screen. I'm gonna hit top up. I'm gonna add $100. I'm gonna hit. I can use my Crypto.com, my fiat wallet, which ain't got enough in my fiat wallet, but I can credit that. But I'm gonna just use my credit card, which is my debit card from my Bank of America. I'm gonna just top up 100. You can put 1,000. I would recommend probably 100 at a time, or 500. Or if you're making a big purchase, you could go ahead and put up 1,000. But the benefits of this card right here: get 5% back on all the purchases, gas and groceries, and I get my Spotify paid for. I get Amazon paid for. What's the other one? Netflix. I get 12% APR every Monday. I get 260 CROs every Monday. So it depends on what it's worth today. If it's worth 50 cents a day, I get 260. So that's $130. I could take that $130 and put it right into my account. I'm not telling anybody to do this. If you want to take a chance, I'm taking a chance. And if you want to sign up, you can look in the description below. And if you sign up, you get $25 and I get $25. That's just the way it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and top this up. I'm gonna hit top up, and I'm gonna hit confirm. Ask for my fingerprint, or you got Face ID. I got an old phone. It's going through the process. It's loading. It may ask for a CVV code, but it didn't that time. Sometimes it does, and that's it. So now that should turn into 240. It's that easy, and it takes it directly out of my Bank of America account. So now, if it's going to start using my card, and this is what it looks like. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to sign up, you can just, I'm gonna leave a code in the description. Like I said, I get $25 and you get $25 also. I like free stuff, so use my code. All right, thanks for watching, and again, subscribe to my channel.